How about that then? Hurry up!
So today we're going to go over Gerty, the 1968 911 that we stuck the engine back in a few weeks ago. Like another inch, maybe an inch now. There you go. So we're just going to go over it today, find any problems if there is any, and just go over it with a fine-tooth comb and get it ready for Donington this weekend. So today is Thursday, so we'll be going down there on Saturday. So just getting it ready really, going over it, a little scrutiny check. Hopefully it doesn't present any problems, but we'll see how it goes. So I was a bit late getting here, and the boys have said that there's a problem with one of these engine bolts that hold the engine and gearbox to the actual car. One of the bolts, which goes in here, is just rounding. It's just spinning inside in the nut. So we're hoping it is this bolt rather than the captive nut that's actually inside there. So we're going to go see if we can get a replacement one of these bad boys. So we've not had much luck with these new bolts. Turns out it's probably the captive nut inside there. Sort of burred off, the thread's gone. So the new bolts are just continuously just turning inside it. Robert's trying to get hold of a helicoil kit.
Hiya, I'm trying to get hold of a M12 by 1.5 thread insert or helicoil. Is that something you'd have?
Here we are at Donington Park for Bernie's V8. Just at the entrance gate waiting for Robert and Andy to turn up. It's the boys! He's finally gone mad! Here she is. Whoa! Andy's camera rig says small rig.
Now, but that's going to pick up the third place car. Are you and Loggy? Towards the final bend where you and Hanky have pulled clear.
Then. Hurry up!
Yeah, they're here, they've gone off to the hotel now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, did it properly.
Hi, you joined us here at Donington Park at Leicestershire. My name is Chad O'Brien. I'm here with Robert Hollyman, the driver of the 1968 Porsche 911. We'll be driving here tomorrow on circuit with Bernie's V8s and Outlaws. See you soon. Hi, my name's Gabe Davis. Today's video is sponsored by Turtle Wax. Waterless wash and wax. For washing on the go and for washing in the urban environment. Take a look at what my friend Robert here has done to his car. Get Turtle Wax, waterless wash and wax at your local store. I'd like to say I've never seen it so
so it's truck day.
It's Sunday morning. We camped here in Casa del Rob. Just going to start getting things ready. Got driver's briefing, got qualifying at 10:30, so a few bits to do before then. We've had to change the number on the car as Simeon. Who is a friend of the channel. Forgot the numbers for the car. So we went proper high tech. He managed to get our number changed to number 11. And this is good old gaffer tape.
Like, I would leave it at idle if I were you. Just hold it down for a minute.
Yeah, that's fine. That was pretty good. Scrutiny has been over the car. All good. So can't complain with that. On to qualifying. So just in the assembly area, waiting to go out. Looking forward to this. This is just going to be a huge test of the car. Test day almost, isn't it? And hopefully the car does what it should do. God damn it, that's sounding great, brother! Bit of car's alright.
That's fantastic.
It sounds amazing.
It's got no grip though.
Yeah, well hopefully just taking some air out before. It sounds amazing going past. It looks great.
Not even red light. I'm not red light.
Oh, well.
NCC. Rob Hollyman has won 10 times in Porsche. And Outlaws.
How'd you get on?
That's good. Like, probably better than I thought it was going to go. Like, it works, didn't it? There's a lot to learn with this car, how to drive it.
So just coming from qualifying to stay going over the car. Looks like we've got a gap where the gearbox is coming on bolted.
Yeah. Is it tightening or is it just turning?
Turning. It's doing the same again.
How the hell is it doing that?
No, that's loose as f***. Like, that's going to come out, Robert. Like that. That's just falling out.
Never seen anybody use a fuel filter.
I don't know why we didn't think to pack any of that stuff.
You see that?
Just try and drive that in. It's the wrong size thread, but it might give us some. It might grip on it, mightn't it?
Feels like it's turning in. No, it's not. I thought it was turning in, but it's
Yeah,
not.
it should still get to the end of the thread, it's just the dome won't go into the dome point. I don't want to push them. I'm off the gearbox completely now.
It's not even in line.
I think this is done, judging by how much oil is in
You've not got any
the
oil.
fact that we've got
You've no oil.
The thing is, we can't.
I know we've got enough oil. I'm just worried about where it's all coming from anyway. But the fact we can't bolt the gearbox back in anyway.
Yeah.
No, if it's engine oil.
So the engine gearbox, you got 4 bolts.
Yeah.
One of them's straight.
And how far's home?
North Carolina, about 3.5.
That's it. We're done for a day. Not really anything we can do. We have to get the car back, get back to the garage, and find a way to bolt it back in. Nothing that we can do at the track. Nothing that's safe enough anyway. So, let's have some lunch and go home.